Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitoring system, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.